just how to fix your zipper. Just assume this is your skirt or whatever you want to fix your zipper on. Let's say this is your pencil skirt, and this, the length of the zipper you're using is 8 inches. 8 inches zipper. I want to use this, but the highest you can use out of these 8 inches will be 7.5 or 7. So I'll be using 7. So before you fix the zipper, you have to close the lower part of the zipper, the lower part of the zipper allowance. This is the 1 inch zipper allowance. This lower part of the zipper allowance, let's say your vent will be from maybe 5 inches. This is not long, or 7 inches. So you calculate the vent and stop here. So you just stitch from here to here. That's from the 7 inches of the zipper, or 7.5, whatever. I could just use 7 inches. 7 inches for the zipper. Then I come all the way down. I'll remove, maybe I want to leave 6 inches for the vents, so it will be like so. So to fix your zipper now, you first of all start by fixing this lower part before you fix your zipper, as in stitching the lower parts before you fix your zipper. So you come here where you've marked like so. You just place your machine. So you make sure you do what? You double stitch like that, and not too much. Then you stop at this point where you want to have the vents, just like so. Having stitched from where the zipper will be starting to where you will have your open vent like so, you just cut. Then we'll now affix the zipper. It's very easy. This is your invisible zipper. This is the invisible zipper method. But one thing here is you need to have your invisible foot to achieve the invisible zip. I don't have my invisible foot here, so I'll not be using this invisible zipper. The invisible foot makes fixing the invisible zip very easy. So if you don't have it, fixing your invisible zip will not be nice, but you can still manage it. But I will not be using invisible zip. I'll be using this normal zip, but I just want to still use it to explain to you. However, this is the front of your zipper. So to achieve it, you place your skirt like this. Can you see it's already like your skirt? So you just come like this. You take the front of this invisible zip, you open it like this. Then you now take, look at it. This is the front of the invisible zip. How you get the front is from here. This is the front. So you take it like this to this 1 inch zipper allowance that you've created. You note it at the back. So you take the face, the right side like this. You know this is how it's going to be. This is how your invisible zip, you want it to, this is how the zip will stand. So you take this right side like this, you put it here, and make sure that you tuck it in, like, you know, this part will not be there. You use pin to hold this down. So this will guide you. You get a pin like this, you hold it down like so. So this will guide you on how the zipper will go. So this is how the zipper will be. This is where you will stitch on. You will open it like this. After you've done your upper part, you open it like this and you start stitching. And make sure, like, if you want to use like this zipper and that is longer than the length of the zipper you have to use, you will cut it off, but you have to be very careful. You don't stretch it up, because if you stretch it to where you cut and the lock is not there again, you have to cut. Maybe like now, if I want to use this zipper, I will cut it to like 8 inches, and I'll have to be careful that I don't close it up to that place, because it's going to get spoiled. So I'm just using this to explain to you. I'm not using this invisible zipper. So assuming I have my invisible zipper foot right now, I'll just place it here. It's going to stitch very close to these teeth, and it will come out like an invisible zip. So, but I don't have the invisible zipper. I just want to use this normal zip. It will not even stitch very close to, but at least it will not. Whatever zipper you have to use your zipper foot. So like this too, this is the front part of the zipper. So I'll place this front part like this. I'll turn it to face the right side of the fabric. Right side of the zipper will face the right side of the fabric like so. So you hold it down like so, not just like I did. You hold it down like this. So this is what will inform you. So this is It's from here you start stitching. You will stitch on that 1-inch zipper allowance. You see how this one will stitch now. It's not going to stitch close. It won't stitch close to the zipper mouth. Can you see? So, and what you now do is that by the time you get here, you make sure that this zipper, look at what I will do. You know that this was where we ended our stitch. You will go a little bit lower than where you ended that your stitch, where you stitch the fabric. So you go a little bit, like 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch or 1 inch. So you now stitch. Just stitch carefully. Don't double stitch too much when you are doing zipper. It makes the cloth to be bulging or somehow not really relaxed. So you see what I was telling you. So can you see the zipper? Can you see that it's not that close? This was what I did in the video. So later you stitch this. There are so other many methods of still affixing the zipper. So for this other one, like so, you take it just like that, like you've done for this. You do as if you want to close this. Can you see now? So this one will come from below like this. Can you see? So you now do as if you want to close it. This method, you have to be very careful. It's always bulging here. You have to be very careful while applying this method. So you will take this just like this also. You put him in. So you will now open it. This will assist you that this is where you are going to stitch. As you open it like this, you know you are putting it on the 1-inch zipper allowance. Look at it. So that's where you will stitch on. You will just do what? You will use pin to hold it. If your zipper foot has right and left mouth, you can still stitch using the left. But so far this is not even a zipper foot. It will not do it nice. So you now do like this. Can you see? You will place the fabric. There will be nothing underneath, but you are going to stitch on that 1-inch zipper allowance you created. So you just try to open the zipper. So you have to try to start from where you started this. So you just start doing a zipper without the zipper foot is always very tough. So I'll start with double stitch carefully and just go all the way. Assuming this is a zipper foot, just have it to stitch very close to the teeth of the zipper, and it will be so lovely. But this is not a zipper foot. So by the time you bring it out right now, can you see? You will now bring, this is how the zipper will be. You can just close this one down as well. So this is how the zipper will look like. But remember, if you have the invisible zipper, it's going to make the zip like this. This was what I used my invisible zipper for. Can you see it? It's only the teeth of the zipper you'll be seeing. You will not see all this part of the zipper. This is how you just achieve your skirt, and you make sure you press this part very well, the end of the zipper, and you open press after the zipper. So this is your open vents. You press down, you know, you just like other parts of the video. I know those ones are clear. So this is how you have your open vents, just like that. You open, press the allowance, then you press and you do your zipper well. So please, this is how you achieve your zipper.